Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. Today's video is related to NEET exam aspirants. So please watch the full video till the end. As you all know that the exam date of NEET has been announced that it will occur on 13th September. And this is the month of July. So almost 1 month is remaining for the exam. And these last days, almost 30 days, are important and crucial for your preparation for the exam. Revision and practice is very important in this time period, this last time period. So, in this last time period, revision and practice is more important. Do more revision and do more practice. And for practice, you have to solve previous year question papers and mock test. And for practice, students need practice question papers. So there is an app which is launched by NTA, that is National Testing Agency, has launched the app named National Test Abhyas. It is an app, you can download it from the Play Store, and it is totally free of cost. And this National Test Abhyas consists of 50 mock tests for NEET exam preparation. Yes, 50 mock tests, and these 50 mock tests are totally free. And 50 mock tests, the number is so big, so these are more than enough to boost up your exam preparation. So download the app and practice these mock tests so you can boost up your exam preparation. Some other mock tests are also available on NTA website. As you can see that these are the mock tests. You have to select your exam and paper, and you can give the mock test absolutely free. Some content based lectures are also present on this site. These content based lectures are provided by IIT PAL, and these are made by experts. So these will be very beneficial for all of you. So you just have to go to NTA website, and there you can find out the mock test and content based lectures. And for downloading NTA app, that is National Test Abhyas, it is very easy. You just have to download the app from the Play Store, and then you have to sign up by filling essential requirements, that is your name, mail ID and password. Then you have to select exam, and then you will get easy access to all the mock tests. These mock tests are easily accessible, totally free. So go and download the app and go to NTA websites and do more practice. Practice more and more and revise more and more so you can boost up your exam preparation. I hope this information will be beneficial for you. So for more updates, please like and share my channel, and for more updates, please subscribe my channel, that is Biology Tutorials RV. Thank you so much.